All right, Mr. Come forward. Before we begin, Mr. Are you recording these proceedings?
No.
All right, Mr. I want to let you know something. Don't ever do what you did again, or I'll take you into custody. The last time you were in my courtroom, I asked you kindly to shut off the recording device. You know what, sir, I'm going to ask that you turn that off till I make my ruling. Do you understand?
I really don't understand.
So you need to leave the courtroom with your device. You need to leave the courtroom with your device.
I'm turning it off. It's off.
Someone advised me that you did not. They listened to it and they said you did not. I have no problem with you recording the proceedings.
Sir, I did shut the recording.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you.
My lawyer saw it.
Okay, well, someone said that you played it and it continued to record after that.
That was the court's recording that's live streaming right now.
Okay, well, if it's live streaming, that's fine. But I want you to know.
Out of respect, I did shut it off.
Okay, and I appreciate that. If that's what it was,
I did.
Then I have absolutely no problem with that. I was informed that you didn't, and I can tell you that really, because I appreciate you coming to me, letting me know of the rule. I just want to let you know that nobody in the courtroom was aware of it at the time, not even your attorney.
I know.
But when I was heard that you continued to play it after I advised you, let me research it. And I also want to inform you of another thing. We actually had an outstanding administrative order in this court where audio recordings were not permitted. I wanted to let you know. So that's why I had to research the rule that you cited. And I made a decision that the Supreme Court rule, which I wasn't aware of, was superseded or was the rule that I needed to follow, even though our court had an administrative order that the proceedings could not be audio recorded. So I just wanted to let you know. But I did that because you brought it to my attention. So
I did not keep recording.
Okay,
I know there was
if you
a
did not keep
misconception.
if you did not keep recording, then accept my apology. But I can tell you that because I wanted to give you that opportunity. And if you played something that you know wherever you got it from other means, then I'm fine with. But if you kept recording enough, I asked you not to.
No.
Okay, because
Absolutely not.
I appreciate you. I appreciate your candidness, and I hope you can appreciate me. Then, if you felt like I came off harsh with you today, then I apologize for that.
No
It's
worries.
not my intention. To me, that would be just a direct thumbing of the court, and you obviously did not do that.
No.
So please accept my apology. I appreciate you letting me know that was not from your recording device. It was some other recording device.
It was the court's recording. Which live
Okay,
streaming
and that's
on the
fine,
internet.
and that's fine. All right. So we have 5 cases here, Mr. Shell. We're asking for a continuance on all 5?
Yes, sir.
All right, and how much time is needed for these 5 cases? I mean, does he just want 30 days?
Whenever Mr. Bartz is going to be available, Judge,
Okay.
we'll do that when he's available. The only reason why we're requesting it is because he's not available.
All right.
Some of these are new. He's going to need 30 days, so I'm going to be sending him an email when he leaves today.
All right, this is what I'm going to do, Mr. Because I realize you just picked up a new case, correct? So, I know that Mr. Bartz isn't here. Because he's not here, and there's 5 cases, and there's a new case, I'm going to reset these for 60 days. I just think you need more time with that, with Mr. Bartz, given the fact that you have 5 cases. Mr. Bartz, was your most recent one just a couple of weeks ago, am I correct?
Yeah, I got arrested and wound up with 3 charges somehow.
Okay. All right. So defense motion to continue is granted. We're going to reset this in 60 days. What we'll do is we'll give you that new court date. If you can go through the exit to my right, my clerk will give you that new court date.
Thank you, sir.